lines at night.
So you'll have to get me out to Gosman Stock.
Okay, as soon as you see the circle, go around the far end of the circle.
Okay.
Or I think you can go around this end of the circle, I'm not sure. Is that two ways? You can make a left here? Yeah, you can. And then once you get to the road that goes to the left, see that road?
Yep.
Go that way. Montauk Company. This is a hot spot.
What's that one?
I don't know. Sushi bar.
I think that was a dinner place too, because I remember there were cars all lined up and down here.
Okay.
When we're walking
Navy Beach is that way. I always hear about Navy Beach. I don't know what it is, but it's not the surfing beach, that's for sure. Montauk Manor, that's not it, but it's up here. Oh okay. Yeah, that is it.
That's the driveway, and then you got to drive around back.
Yeah, you drive up. Yeah. That was, I would think, the most disappointing of any place that we went.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, baby Cito, I'm so happy we're here. I love it here so much. I love it here like your mother loves Eagle Lake.
It's a lot.
Yes, I know. That's why I said it.
But that was opposite in the shadows, which would have been a good spot because I didn't see him until the last minute. Wasn't going fast anyway. So I think those bars were to the right at this intersection, right?
Oh, maybe. Do you want to drive down there?
Yeah, I'll take a picture. We'll do you and come back.
This seems familiar.
Yeah,
Tiki
it's the
bar.
Tiki bar.
We went there, right?
Yep.
Sports
to Sportsman's Dock too, which is another bar. We went to a couple places. Here's the draft beer place, Liars.
That's the Liars Saloon.
Yeah, we went there.
The Landing. We didn't go there. And is it the girl Patty's place or whatever it's called over here somewhere too?
I thought that was the first one that we went by.
Oh, the Tiki Bar maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, the Mexican place should be on the left here pretty soon.
That's it. The Hideaway.
Oh, the Hideaway, yeah. Okay.
Was it Mexican though?
There was definitely a Mexican place we went to.
I think that was it though.
I think that was it
kinda
too.
Like
Yeah.
it was all chachi. It was chachi. These places. That's a little resort.
Yeah, it looks like a little resort.
So then if you want to go to the beach from here, you got to go down to
You don't think there's a
Heather
beach here?
Hills. No, this is the bay
Okay.
side. This is the side
With all
for the fishing boats and the ferry.
Mexican barbecue seafood. Yeah.
Yeah, hideaway. So these places are good to hit if you're going out early because they didn't stay open late.
Yeah.
The Shagwong is the place for late night because that's in town where everybody is later. Where's the tiki?
Right here. Sun.
Live music. There's nobody there.
This is the Gosman's Dock area, basically.
Yes, that's Gosman's Dock. It says on that side. So, this is where I dropped off the kids for the ferry to go to Waterfront.
Oh, Chowder restaurant.
And didn't we go to, what was the place upstairs? It was like an eagle's nest kind of deal. Let's go have a
That's in the
beer.
Gosman's Dock area, yeah. Let's check here for the stuff we want to shop for first.
You want to shop?
Yeah, for the beach chairs.
Oh, well, all the shopping is in there too.
Right, I know. We'll head down there also.
Okay.
I'll just see what they have here.
And that's